Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to set Chowdeck for recurring office launch orders. Step 1. No upfront. Chowdeck doesn't have a dedicated recurring order feature. I need to be straight with you. Chowdeck does not currently have a built-in occurring order or automatic subscription feature like some corporate launch platform abroad. What they do is a schedule feature, which lets you pick a future delivery time for a single order. So what we are building here is a manual routine using that feature, not a true auto-repeat system. Step 2. Use the schedule feature every time you order. When placing your order, look for the option to schedule delivery for a future time instead of now. This lets you set your launch order up ahead of when you actually want it delivered to the office. Step 3. Save your go-to restaurant and usual order. Since the app won't repeat your order automatically, save your regular lunch spot and your usual items so you can quickly rebuild your cart each day or week instead of starting from scratch every time. Step 4. Designate one person to handle ordering for the office. Assign one team member to be responsible for placing the order daily or weekly. Have them collect everyone's choice beforehand. Then place a single schedule order for the group. Step 5. Build a consistency routine and track spending yourself. Pick a set time each day, say every morning by 11 a.m. for that person to open the app, schedule the order and repeat it. Since Chowdeck doesn't have a business dashboard for tracking office spending, keep a simple spreadsheet on the side to monitor what is being spent over time. And here is a step-by-step guide on how to set up Chowdeck for recurring office launch orders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.